bartender bending my ear like he always does.
It's a dirty job.
He said, can you do me a favor when the coast is clear?
It's a dirty job.
Yeah, I'll give you $20 to get that drunk out of here.
It's a dirty job.
It's a dirty job. Someone's gotta do it.